Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 to your Samsung phone. First, ensure your Samsung phone is running the latest software. Next, charge your Galaxy Watch to at least 20%. Finally, download and install the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process, preparing both devices for pairing. Now, let's initiate the connection. Begin by turning on your Galaxy Watch. Simply press and hold the home key until it powers up. On your Samsung phone, open the Samsung Wearable app you just installed and tap the Start button. The app will then search for nearby devices. From the list that appears, select your specific Galaxy Watch to begin the pairing sequence. Once you've selected your watch, a passkey will appear on both your Galaxy Watch and your phone. It's very important to carefully verify that these two passkeys match exactly. If they do, tap Confirm on your phone to proceed. You'll then be prompted to grant several necessary permissions to the Samsung Wearable app, allowing it to fully integrate with your watch and phone. With the passkey confirmed and permissions granted, you're almost done. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts on your phone to complete the watch setup, which may include logging into your Samsung account. After that, you can personalize your watch by customizing settings like notifications and choosing your favorite watch faces. Your Galaxy Watch is now fully connected and ready to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.